Hello and welcome to another video of our Operators Platforms tutorial series. In this video I'm going to talk about another one of our additions to the importing module. This is a new dataset that we've added to streamline your product code assignments. Before anything, in order to access our importing page, as always, you would need to go to the settings menu and then click on the importing menu item, in which you will be navigated to the importing page. Now, in order to access this new dataset, you either will type in product codes into the search section, or you can click on the products tag and then go to the one to the very last item that reads product codes assignment. This dataset only has the part number as the required column, followed by each of the different code groups or code types within your product system as the different columns. Our system will automatically notify you if you do not have any code groups configured. Let's actually see it together. In order to modify and review your code groups, you would need to click on the products menu and then select code types. I'm going to open it in a new tab. In here, in this our demo environment, we've selected or added two code groups called AM and OE for original manufacturers and aftermarket codes. We've set both to be partial share. Obviously, you can add as many code groups or code types as possible. Select their policy and modify them anytime that you would need. But that's beside the subject of this tutorial video. In this video, we want to make sure that we review how you can bulk assign your products codes. Before we actually talk about how you can proceed with this dataset, I also want to showcase how you can find it within a specific product. Go to the products menu and then click on the list menu item. Let's go ahead and select our test product here. In here, inside the tabs, you would want to scroll to get to the codes area, and right beneath the UPC codes, you will here review all the different code types with the assigned codes for a specific product. In here as well, you can add as many codes as you would like with the designated splitter of your choosing, and the system will automatically add the desired codes for each of these groups of this product. But let's say if you are onboarding within our system, or you are updating the codes with a new database or a new resource, and you want to do it for, let's say, hundreds or thousands of products altogether for all these different code groups, then this specific tool can be very handy to you. You select the dataset, and then you yet again can select your code splitter. This allows that you can determine how you can place these different codes together within each of these different columns that designate the different coding groups. It's highly recommended that in this specific instance, you download the sample file, because the system will automatically pulls the code types that are defined within your system, and then you can work with that in a more streamlined process. Fill in your columns and cells, and then you can format them and upload it to start with the code assignment process. I'm not going to go ahead with this, but it's a very streamlined process. You just review your data. If there are any issues, the system would automatically pick them up and gives you the chance to review them. Otherwise, the system will automatically process all these code assignments, and you can generate reports afterwards. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully this does provide some context as to how you can use this dataset and in what context it is best utilized. Hopefully I can catch you on the next video as well. You have a good day for now.